Hello everyone, we're here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. This is our first day here. We're so excited to be here. We have lots of things planned for the next few days, so stay tuned.
So after a long 17.5-hour flight, we finally arrived in Chiang Mai. Now on our first full day, we're going to be exploring the city, going temple hunting, and then ending the day with a traditional Muay Thai class. On our second day, we're going to a local farm to do a cooking class where we get to pick fresh ingredients and then cook them up into nice meals. We're also going to be hiking Monk's Trail, which is one of the popular hikes and brings you to 2 temples. On day 3, we're going to the elephant sanctuary where we get to hang out with elephants, we get to cook for them, and then we get to bathe them later on in the day. On our final day, we're visiting Inthanon National Park, which is the highest peak in Thailand, and we're visiting some really pretty waterfalls.
Hello everyone, we are here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. This is our room in a really cute hotel in this tiny little street. Check it out.
So our hotel is situated near the South Gate. Now the square on the map represents the old Chiang Mai city walls, and our flight arrived pretty late, so now we're heading to the nearby South Gate night market. This is like so cool. So if you didn't know, Thailand's famous for its night markets, and it's a really good place to try local food, go shopping, meet other tourists, and have a really good time. Cheers.
So we just are walking back from our street market. We had so much food. I'm just eating corn after having a crepe, chicken, pad thai, sushi, bubble tea. Yeah, a lot of things. And tomorrow we're gonna do it all over again. Good morning from Chiang Mai. It is our first morning here. Today we are going to just explore the town, visit some temples, maybe get a massage, eat some good food, and just have a relaxing day.
So right now we're walking in the same street as last night's night market, and it's pretty busy. Like before 11 a.m. and that's the third coffee.
Honestly, the jet lag is like hitting me really hard. So this is the only way I can stay awake and explore the city.
Let's go in here, Misha. Can you go in here? So we're walking into the first temple of the day, and we're gonna see how many more we can get to. We're just pulling up to one of the most popular temples in this area, and it's actually cool because there's over 40,000 temples in Thailand, and they really provide a first-hand cultural experience to go see them, and it's also visited by both tourists and locals, so we're seeing a lot of different people here. So all the temples we're visiting today are pretty much random. We didn't actually plan to go to any specific ones and thought it'd be fun to kind of just walk around and see what we find. The only thing we planned was visiting the main gate, and we're heading there now.
So behind me is the old gate of the Chiang Mai city. So we are off to our first ever Muay Thai class. We're super excited to learn some Muay Thai skills. We'll see how it goes.
Hello.
our Muay Thai class. It was amazing, as you can see by the videos. It was so much fun. It was a bunch of other tourists there. We loved it. We would highly recommend that you try it as well. This is our second night at the Chiang Mai night market.
So we're just wandering down the street again. It's pretty busy, but I think maybe tomorrow or the next night we'll go and check out the other night market, the night bazaar, because it's supposed to be a lot bigger than this one. So freaking busy.
Good morning. So we're here in Chiang Mai again. We are on our way to a cooking class. We just stopped at a local market, picked up some groceries that we're gonna use to cook, and now we're going to a local farm where we're gonna make our Thai meals.
So we're just walking across this farm, picking up some fresh vegetables. We just went to the chicken coop to grab some fresh eggs, and now we're picking some herbs. So we got some lemongrass, we got peppers, we got some lime, mushrooms, and whatever else that we need.
Oh, mine is spicy and mushroom for vegetarian.
Lemongrass.
อันนี้อร่อยมากๆอันนี้นะ
Lemon basil.
I like it.
After we picked the fresh veggies, we started making the paste for the different curries that we chose. We then had some soup. It was really yummy, but a little spicy. And then we started making our main dish. We just ate our pad thai and now we're making our second dish. I'm making a cow soy and Mir's making green curry.
Okay, so we just came back from a cooking class. It was one of the most amazing experiences. We had so much fun cooking different meals. Right now we are heading up to a temple that's on a mountain, so it's gonna be a 2-hour hike up. So we'll see how we do. We have to burn off all these calories,
So the hike that we're on right now is called Monk's Trail. And it's funny because one of the girls in the cooking class, another tourist, told us about it and said it was worth doing. So we said, hey, this afternoon's free, why not? So we're hiking it right now. It is awesome. It's not too bad, this first part, and we're gonna be at the temple soon. So this place is extremely beautiful, but if you're not dressed appropriately, they will not let you in. So I'm just wandering around doing some videos, and Mir unfortunately has to wait outside because she wore shorts and didn't have any cover up. So if you come here, make sure you have a cover up.
this place is amazing.
By far number one. I thought it was gonna be a temple, but it's just to the side of the road. So we're doing this hike right now, and we got a local tour guide showing us the way. This guy right over here followed us and took lead. Which way?
Are you sure?
Up here?
I think. No way are you walking down this.
No, we're gonna take a taxi and
I
get to
know,
the
but
top.
how do you even walk?
Look at this guy. Slow down, buddy. So the first half of this trail will bring you to that one temple, but then if you continue on, you're gonna get to another temple. But I gotta warn you, it's a lot harder hike. It's pretty awesome. So we're almost at the top. We're just about to go through the village to get there. This temple is definitely a must visit if you come to Thailand or Chiang Mai. Now the good thing is that you can hike up if you're adventurous, or you can also take a taxi or a bus up. We hiked and we're gonna probably take a taxi down because we're a little bit tired right now. So we're gonna go take a cab down right now, or maybe call a Grab, whatever's cheaper, and then we're gonna go find some nice dinner and feast because we are tired and we are hungry. So right now we're on this little tuk-tuk or whatever it's called. It's so bumpy, but it's so fun.
I would not recommend if you get motion sickness because this is pretty awful. Okay, so we're here at the elephant sanctuary where we're gonna feed some elephants, bait them, and just hang around with them. We're so excited.
So we just got to this place. We are starting the day by getting into these nice red outfits, and now we're actually making food for the elephants. We're combining some bananas and greens and some other stuff, and we'll be feeding them shortly. Nice thing with this trip is that they came to pick us up from the hotel. It was probably about a maybe 40-minute drive or so to get here, and then we get to spend the full day here. Don't be afraid.
That's I'm done.
So we just spent some time feeding the elephants, going for a little walk with them, and now we're gonna have some lunch. And then later on, we're gonna go for a hike around the kind of mountain with elephants, and then we're gonna bathe them and go swimming. Go on. So we just finished up with the elephants. We said our final goodbyes and gave them a nice big hug. We're gonna go have some food now and then get dropped off back at the hotel. So 100% worth it, definitely recommend. You have to come see elephants. There's only a few places in the world where you can do this. And the elephants were a lot of fun. So recommend. So we just got back from the elephant sanctuary and now we're gonna go head to the popular Bazar night market.
So this area is a lot more party vibe, a lot of bars, a lot of young people. It's right outside of the city walls. Inside the city walls, you can't see anything like this, and outside, you can. So it's good to know in case that's what you're looking for.
So this is the main area of the night bazaar, and it is packed. There are a ton of different little shops and food choices and entertainment and things to do, and it's a pretty good time.
Okay, so we're on our way to Inthanon National Park. We just stopped for a quick coffee and Thai milk tea stop. Plan for today is we're going to hike the national park and hike the highest peak in Thailand. We're also going to stop by a local tribe and see how they live and how they make food and coffee. And then I think we're going to stop by some waterfalls on the way as well. So it should be a good day. So we're at Inthanon National Park, and there are two temples here, the Kings and the Queens. They were both built around 30 years ago. Right now we're at the King's Temple, and then we're gonna go down to the Queen's Temple. They're both very beautiful and have really nice views.
Okay, so right now we're at the Grand Pagoda. It's really cool. It's such a cool thing to come see. The King one probably has a better view in our opinion because you get to see all the mountains, although the Queen one does have a pretty nice garden you can go and take some really cute photos at. So after this, we're heading to go do a 2-hour hike. And then we're also gonna go see a cool village tribe, the Karen village, and get some local coffee. We just got off the bus and arrived at the Chiang Mai Nature Trail. Now, the tour guide told us that it's going to be about a 3-kilometer, 2-hour hike. Usually there's going to be a couple stops for photos, but he said that you're going to get some of the best views in Thailand and you're going to see the highest peak in Thailand. So we're pretty excited. What's pretty awesome is that this trail is relatively easy. I think most people can do it. You know, we saw people of all ages here, and it's only about 3 kilometers at the top, so the real work's really done driving up here. So you don't gotta climb no real mountains. Anyone can really experience a view like this. Welcome to the highest point in Thailand. So we just got off the bus again and came to this local village. This is called the Karen Hill Tribe Village, and it's a local coffee roastery. So we're gonna try some fresh coffee, see what we like, and probably get a few packs to bring home.
In the city just 2 or 3 weeks because you have more moisture. Some days sun, some days rain.
So we just got off the bus one more time. This is our final stop. This is really beautiful waterfall. We'll probably stay around for 20 minutes or so, take some photos, and then head back home.
So we hope you guys enjoy this video. We hope that this inspires you to visit Chiang Mai and this beautiful country. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video below. We're going to PP Islands in Phuket next, so stay tuned for those videos.